4B Sessions Australia. Today I'm going to be fitting up my SCF Rock sliders. Shouldn't take too long, it's only 3 bolts, but I'll run through how I do it and I'll show you how they come all packaged up. So let's check it out. So this is what I mean, they're packaged real well. You've got bubble wrap, you've got cardboard, and you've got shrink wrap, all trying to save them. And they've turned out bloody perfect. Just got them sitting on the jack. Work its way in under to the chassis, and all I'm going to do is jack it up. So one of the things you just got to watch out for is obviously all your clips and everything. So we're just going to undo some of these clips to get this wiring away from the sliders because we don't want to rip any of that out. So we'll undo the clips and then we'll just cable tie it back up. There you go, so we'll just jack it up, put the bolts in, make sure they're nice and tight. Just put all the clips in, done it all up, not going anywhere. Let's have a look what it looks like out there. Damn, that looks good. So, good solid construction. You can jack off these with a high lift jack, which is awesome. You can get skid plates, you can get a few little options with them as well. These fat boys though, they look unreal. Anyway, let's get the other side, because the other side's just a little bit more tricky because you've got all your fuel lines and everything on that one. So this is why I only just get them sitting just either side of the chassis. Look at all this plumbing and everything. So let's have to double check everything over here. So this side's all up, bolts up same as the other side. Just gotta watch, there's a lot more hoses on this side, so I've unclipped this one, which is your fuel line, just to give it a bit of spacing behind it. But the rest of it is all good. There you have it, guys. Super easy to bolt up, great construction, great rock slider, really. The value for money is absolutely unbelievable. Anyway guys, I'll keep bringing you more videos, the more things I keep doing in the car. Have a good one.